Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to auto-reply to Google Business Profile reviews for your salon using ChatGPT. So here I own a salon and I'm promoting it with the help of Google Business Profile. I'm receiving multiple reviews and feedbacks from my customers on regular basis, and now my objective is to post the reply for each of them. But doing it manually is going to take a lot of time. Therefore, I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate the replies for each of the reviews I'm receiving on Google Business Profile. Now, how am I going to automate this entire process of content generation as well as posting the replies automatically on Google Business Profile? Therefore, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect to set up the connection between Google Business Profile, OpenAI, and once again Google Business Profile in such a way that as soon as I'm going to receive a new review from a customer for my salon, automatically a reply will be generated with the help of ChatGPT for that review, and it will be posted automatically on that same review. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation without any coding and programming skills, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video I am going to show you that how we can automatically send replies to all the reviews which are generated on Google Business Profile for your salon business with the help of ChatGPT. I have recently launched a new salon and I am promoting it with the help of Google Business Profile. So because I have my business on Google, so my customers are sending the ratings and the reviews for my salon. Now I want to reply to each of these reviews which I am receiving from my customers, but doing it manually is going to take a lot of time. So therefore, here I am going to use a solution that I am going to use ChatGPT to generate the reply for each of the reviews and each of the feedback. So with the help of ChatGPT, I am going to generate the replies for each of the reviews. And with the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to automate this entire process of generating the replies as well as posting the replies for each of the reviews on Google Business Profile. So here with the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to set up the connection between Google Business Profile and ChatGPT in such a way that now whenever I'm going to receive a new review for my salon, automatically on the basis of that review, ChatGPT is going to generate the reply for that, and automatically the same reply will be posted on the review. And the best part is that we are not going to use any kind of coding and programming skills to create this automation. For your business, for your salon as well, here you can learn this automation step by step by following this video. So let's get started quickly. Currently, I am on my home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. Once you will reach here, you will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, you can just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It is going to create a free new account for you just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you will be receiving 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all our section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we will find all our workflows which we have created. And to save the workflows, we can also create separate folders on our dashboard. Now, to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create workflow option. And you can see a dialog box is appeared in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to the workflow first of all. So here I'm going to give the name to my workflow. Auto reply to Google Business Profile reviews for your salon using Pabbly Connect. After giving the name to my workflow, I am going to select the folder in which I want to save it. So you can see we have multiple folders over here. Among these folders, I have created social media automations as a folder. So I'm going to select this folder to save my workflow. Then I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains a blank workflow with two extremely important windows. First is the trigger over here and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means action is going to follow what the trigger commands. So therefore we can have only one trigger in any workflow because it is the commander, and we can have multiple actions because the actions are the followers. Now let's suppose here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new review for my salon on Google Business Profile, then automatically the reply for that review should be generated with the help of ChatGPT. So here let's suppose I'm going to take Google Business Profile in trigger and ChatGPT in action. When we are going to set up the connection between these applications, we will clearly see that actions are going to follow what the trigger command, because when the trigger happens, that means when the review is received from Google Business Business profile, then only the reply will be generated from ChatGPT for that review, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating the automation step by step. To start with the workflow, first of all, we have to go towards our trigger step and we have to select our trigger application, and that will be Google Business Profile. So let's select that quickly. After selecting the trigger application, the next we have to select is trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. You can see we have three options over here: new post, new review, multi-location. So on the happening of whichever event you want to capture the response, you have to select that. Our objective over here is that whenever we are going to receive a new review on our business from Google Business Profile, then we want to capture the response. So new review will be our trigger event over here. All right. Now here, when we have selected the application and the event, we have to set up the connection between Google Business Profile and Pabbly Connect. For building the connection, we have to click on this connect button and we have to select one of these two options: add new connection or select existing connection. In case if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with existing connection. But to create a new connection, I have selected add new connection, and then here we have to click on sign in with Google. Before clicking on this button, you have to make sure that you are already logged into your Google Business Profile account. Here I am already logged in, so I'm going to click on sign in with Google Business Profile. And over here you can see that Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Google Business Profile account. So I'm going to click on continue, as our data is 100% safe with Pabbly. As we've done that, you can see that the connection is built successfully. So we'll move forward now. Over here, we have to select the account and the location name. So first of all, here I have already selected the account, but we have two locations over here: Flavor Fusion and Parampara. So I'm going to select Parampara, which is the name of my salon. And now here we are going to click on save and send test request button. But before that, here you have to keep in mind that because Google Business Profile is based on 8 hours of polling time. Now, what is polling time? Polling time is actually the time which Pabbly Connect is going to take for capturing the new response. Because we have 8 hours of polling time for Google Business Profile, this means that now whenever we are going to receive a new review from Google Business Profile for our salon, the response of that new review will be captured after 8 hours inside Pabbly Connect. Okay. So when we are going to click on save and send test request button, currently we are going to receive the response of the last review which was added or which was sent by the customer on our Google Business Profile account. So in order to capture the new response, I am going to first of all post a review on my business with another user's profile. So I have opened my business over here from another account, and with this account I'm going to send a review for my salon. So I'm going to go towards reviews, and over here I'm going to post a review. So let's say I'm going to give 5-star to the salon, and I'm going to enter loved the service. All right, now here I'm going to click on post. As yet when that the review is posted, so now I am going to click on done, and I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect, and this time I'm going to click on save and send test request button. You can see that we have received the response, and in the response we have received the latest review which we have recently posted on the business. Okay, here we have the comment, love the service. This is the same comment which I have posted as a review. We have the created time, that means the date and time at which the review is received. Here we have the display name of the user who has posted this review, and over here we have received the rating as well. So once we have received this response, that means our connection between Google Business Profile and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now whenever a customer is going to post the review on my salon, automatically the response of that review with the details of the user will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. And once I have received the response, my objective is to generate the reply for the review and post the reply automatically on the review. Okay, so to generate the reply, I'm going to use ChatGPT. Now we have to set up the connection between ChatGPT and Pabbly Connect. So let's move forward towards our action step. Our action application over here will be OpenAI. Okay. Now here we have to select the action event. So because my objective is to generate the reply with the help of ChatGPT, here I'm going to select ChatGPT as my action event. Then I'm going to click on connect. For building the connection, here we have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. So I'm going to go with add new connection over here, and over here it is asking us the API token. How we are going to get this token? To get this token, you just have to log into your OpenAI account and you have to click on this hyperlink. Once you will do that, you will visit your OpenAI API key page, and over there on the page you will find your API key. Okay. Now here, because I have already generated the key, so I'm going to paste the key over here. So I have pasted the key and I'm going to click on save now. And you can see that the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So we'll move forward. Here now it is asking us to select the model. Which model you want to use for generating your content. Here I'm going to select with the latest model. I'm going to select ChatGPT 4o over here. This is the latest model. Then we'll move forward, and over here it is asking us the prompt. Now, prompt is the very important step to generate the content. Prompt is actually the command which we have to provide to ChatGPT that what we actually want it to do for us. Because my objective is to generate the unique and the creative and the engaging replies for the reviews which I am receiving on my Salon from Google Business Profile. So here my prompt will be related to that. In your prompt, you have to include all the details which you want in the generated content as well as the details which you do not want. So you have to keep in mind that you are going to enter the prompt that is absolutely on point, related and relevant to your business. Okay. Now, first of all, I'm going to introduce about my business in the prompt. So this is my prompt. I have recently launched a salon named as Parampara. Here, first of all, I have introduced ChatGPT about my business, that is my salon named as Parampara. And I've also included that I am promoting the business by using Google Business Profile. So please generate an engaging reply for the review I have received for my business by a customer on Google Business Profile. Now, this is my prompt that I want to generate the reply for the reviews and the comments which I am receiving from my customers. Now, here I want to generate the reply. For that, I will have to provide the review which I have received. So here, because I have already received the review, that exact comment which is received from Google Business Profile in my earlier response, I will not enter it manually. I will simply map it by using my previous step. You can see this is the comment. Here I'm going to simply select it and it is mapped. When we have mapped this review, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So now whenever we are going to receive a new review from Google Business Profile for our salon, automatically when the response will be captured, this review is going to replace with a new review. And in this way, we are going to generate the replies for each of them automatically without any manual efforts. In case if we will enter the data manually, as we have entered the prompt manually over here, it has become static and now it is not going to replace. So if we will enter the review as well manually, it will become static and then we will not be able to replace it automatically and the workflow will get stuck. Now we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have received the response. So in this response, you can see we have received the content that is generated and this is the reply which we are going to post on our review. Thank you so much for your kind words. We are delighted to hear that you love the service at Parampara. We look forward to welcoming you back soon. Because I have included the details of my business in the prompt, you can see in the reply ChatGPT has included about my business as well. Okay, so it is looking that the reply is personalized. Now my objective is to post this reply automatically on the review which I have received. So this is the review which we have posted. I want to post the reply in this review only. So what I have to do, I will have to once again set up the connection between Google Business Profile and Pabbly Connect. Let's click on this add action step button. Our action application over here will be Google Business Profile. Let's select that quickly once again. And now we have to select the action event. So our action event will be create reply. Okay, let's click on connect. Here we'll go with the existing connection only as we have already built the connection earlier. Then it is asking us the review name and the reply. So first of all, we have to enter the review name. Review name is the ID which we have received along with the review response. So in the review name, we have to post the ID. So in the review name, we have to enter the ID which we have received from our earlier response. Okay, so we'll turn this mapping button on. Here we have the previous response and you can see that this is the review name. This is actually the ID, the name of the review which we have received. So you'll simply select that and we have mapped this review name or the review ID. When we have done that, you can see that when we have mapped this ID, it has become dynamic and it is going to replace automatically with each and every new response. Here it is asking us your reply. What reply you want to post? So here we want to post the reply which we have generated with the help of ChatGPT. I have mapped that and now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. As we have done that, you can see that the response is received and over here we have the updated time. That means the review is updated. That means the review is updated with the reply. So now I'm going to take you towards my Google Business Profile. And over here, I'm going to simply refresh this page once. And you can see that on this review, we have received the reply. And you can see that on this review, we have an automated reply. This means that the connection is absolutely successful and the workflow is also running fine. So let's quickly summarize what we have done in the workflow. We have taken very simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Google Business Profile. In action, we have taken ChatGPT. And again, we have taken Google Business Profile. And we have set up the connection between these applications in such a way that now whenever I'm going to receive a review by a customer for for my salon on Google Business Profile, automatically a reply will be generated for that same review with the help of ChatGPT, and automatically the generated reply will be posted on Google Business Profile on that same review which we have received. So in this way, you can also maintain the consistency of your reviews, your customers, by posting the replies for each of the feedback you are receiving for your business, and you can grow your customer base, you can grow the satisfaction, you can increase the customer satisfaction and engage the customers effortlessly. So I hope this amazing automation is clear to you and it is helpful for you. Thank you for watching the video. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.